How to redeem a Roblox gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, what you will have to do is simply open your Roblox application. After the application is loaded, what you will have to do is tap on the more icon from your bottom right corner and then scroll down and go to gift cards. Now all your gift card will appear over here and then you will also get an option to redeem it. You can also buy gift cards. If you already have one, tap on redeem and then it will open a browser and then lead you to this interface. Now all you have to do is log into your Roblox account and then you will get a box to enter your Roblox code or gift card code, and then all you have to do is tap on the redeem button and it will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So without if you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.